How to install programs onto your HUSO 1.0 unit. After you have purchased the download pack, you will get an email titled, "Your new HUSO program is ready." Click to download the program pack. You will also get an email with these instructions within 15 minutes titled, "More information about the HUSO 4 program download pack." Download the HUSO file and move it to your computer desktop. Your file name will start with Awake. With your HUSO unit off, connect it to your computer using a USB AB cord. Power on your HUSO and place it into download mode by holding down the select button. Release it when you see the message to release. Look for the HUSO disk on your computer desktop. Open the HUSO disk, drag the program pack download into the HUSO disk window. The programs will now upload to your HUSO unit. Once the process is complete, briefly press the select knob. This will restart the HUSO. Turn the knob to verify the 4 new programs have been added. Once the download pack is loaded onto the HUSO disk, close the window and eject the HUSO disk. Enjoy your new HUSO programs.